Welcome back to the channel everyone. So in our previous video we have discussed about file handling in Java. We have also discussed about streams and how to create a file using Java code, right? So in today's video I'm going to show you how can you write data into a file, and in order to write data we have to use the concept of stream, and I'm going to use a file output stream here in order to write data into a file. So let me show you this file output stream quickly. So as you can see here file output stream belongs to this byte stream. Okay, so we will be using this file output stream in our program. So first of all we have to import the java.io package. Okay, so let's write import java.io and dot, I will specify star here. This star is known as asterisk sign, and using this star you can import all of the classes which belongs to this IO package. Okay, so you do not need to specify the each classes. Simply you can specify this star and this will import all the classes for you. Okay, now next we have a file write class and the main method. Now first of all we have to write try catch block because our program may throw an exception. So exception E and simply print the object. Okay, so after writing the try catch block, now I want to use the file output stream because I want to write a data into a file. So let's write file output stream and the object name, for example f here, equals to new, and again file output stream. Now inside these brackets we have to specify the name of the file in which we want to write data. So our file name is test.txt. okay, because we have created this test.txt file in our previous video. Let me show you. Here is our file. We have created this file in our last video. So let me open this file. As you can see, this file is blank now because we do not specify any kind of data as of now. So our file is blank. So this is our test file. So I have specified the test.txt here. Now next thing, now we have to provide data. Okay, which data I want to write. So in order to provide data I can use string here. So string str equals to, say for example, I want to write high on code. Okay, so I want to write high on code into my file. Now as we just saw that this file output stream belongs to byte stream class here. As you can see, this file output stream belongs to byte stream. So in order to use this string we have to convert this string into byte array. So write byte b equals to, and now I have to create this string into byte array. So simply write str dot get bytes. Okay, so this get bytes is a function is used to create a string into a bytes. Now you can write data. So in order to write data we have to use the simple function which is write. So you have to specify the object name which is f dot, specify the method name which is write here, and within these brackets we have to specify our byte array because our byte array now contains this string and we want to write this string into our file. Okay, so let me write here, this belongs to byte stream, this file output stream belongs to byte stream. Done, our task is done, and one last thing is remaining which is close the file pointer. So we can write f dot close. It is always a good habit to close this file pointer by writing object name dot close. Okay, done. Now let me run this program. Okay, so as you can see our program is run successfully. So let's see that we have something in our file or not. Open this file. As you can see we got high on code in our file. Okay, so data is successfully written into our file. Let me change the value so that you can see. Let me write anything here. Okay, and if I run again, and if we go to the files again here, okay, this is our file. So open this. As you can see data is successfully written. So that's how you can write data into your file using the stream. Okay, in this example I have used this file output stream which is a type of byte stream. You can write any type of other string as per your requirement. Okay, so this is how you can write data into our file. So from next video I will show you how to read data from a file and how to delete a file. Okay, so if you have any doubt in today's video you can ask me in the comment section below. If you do like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.